Steering Wheel Sermons, the nuts and bolts of human dignity. I think we should all ruminate deeply on this. Regardless of what you call yourself at the moment, politically, say philosophically, religiously, whatever the categorical orientations and labels you put on yourself, let's put this litmus test to your essence, of what you believe, the core of your values. Do you believe in human dignity over state and or corporate power? Question number one. Question number two. Do you love your fellow human beings? Do you love the people? Do you love those who are to your right and to your left in your own class, your fellow working class people, more than you love the billionaire, the oligarchical, the clerical, the pharisaical class of humanity that you may or may not be a hopeful sycophant to trying to catch some of the crumbs that are falling off the corners of their table into your mouth? Question three. When you see one of the regime paramilitary soldiers / paid agitators in, say, Minneapolis or other cities affected, when you see them put a boot on the neck of your fellow human beings, whether they have your same citizenship status in this country or not, do you get a little chubby in your pants? Do you get a little joy, a little, man, I wish that was me, because I'm not happy with my life, so I wish I could also afflict to feel a little bit better about my situation? Answer these questions for yourself.